nutshell, Stop Work Authority is the opportunity that everybody has to look around them, identify things that are not right, take the time to speak to the people involved, understand what action should be taken to take that action and fix it before things go wrong.
Anyone could use Stop Work Authority, and I mean anybody from a rigger to an operator or ground personnel.
It should be taken seriously, right? If somebody takes the time to stop work and say that there's a problem, then the very least that the people around them can do is take the time to listen to that, to understand the concern, to have a discussion about it, and then to take action. And really, if there is action to be taken, it should be done before work starts again.
It shows when it comes to safety, everyone's equal. It doesn't really matter your role. If you're on site and you see something that could be a hazard, could be a danger, you have full right to put a stop to it while it's assessed. Anything that does not look or feel right, whether it's a hazard or whether it's a behaviour from somebody, it's anything at all. It can be the small things, PPE not being worn, and it could be the big things that could really, go wrong. So any of those things can be Stop Work Authority.
Well, Stop Work Authority doesn't even have to be some big thing. A Stop Work Authority can be something as simple as holding your hands up, stop moving the rig there, because something's not right that you're not happy with. Stop Work Authority can be that simple.
I think people are worried about consequences, but they shouldn't be. From our perspective, it's a positive thing to do, and so the only consequence should be a pat on the back. And if somebody stops you at site to speak about your work because it doesn't look safe to them, that's not an easy thing for them to do. And the only thing that people should be saying in return is thank you, because they're looking out for you and they're trying to get you home safely.
There's always a positive after effect that you're doing the work more safely. I've never had any negative repercussions from stopping work for a safety problem.
We've had incidents where people had the opportunity to do something, to say something. They saw the hazard, but for whatever reason, they did not stop work. And so we want to take the time to emphasize the need to do this.
If I think I'm not safe, and I see people are comfortable with the way they're working, but it's not a safe environment, I have to step in and say, let's stop work, let's clear this before we can continue. That can save a life.
If I could add anything for Stop Work Authority, it's just lead by example. You cannot lead by example if you're a bad example. You have the right to speak up, do it. You could potentially save somebody's life.